So in this problem, we're told that the Utah state budget is a certain amount, right? We have $23 billion in change, and that it is generally broken up into a bunch of categories, as you see listed in this table. And what we are asked to do is imagine that this budget is made into a circular pie chart, right? It's going to be something like this, where you have certain amounts of the budget broken out according to a pie chart. And this is popular for people in government or economics or business to do. They like different ways of looking at data to convey the image of what's going on better than we can get from this kind of bland table of numbers over here. So what they're asking for in this problem is the sum of higher education and transportation, except they want to know what the picture is going to look like. So let's take a look at these two expenditures that are projected for the year 2022, and they're 2580 and hold on, got the wrong ones here. Where are we? Transportation and higher education, right there, these two. So transportation is 2,814 million, and higher education is 2,580 million. So if you add those up, what we get, let me get my pen going here. What we get from the sum of those two things is, let's see, 2814 plus 2580. We get 5,394. Now, as a percentage of the budget, let's figure out what that is. 5,394 divided by our total. Remember what our total is right there? 23,454. And these are all in millions of dollars, so this is really a lot of money we're throwing around here. 5,394 divided by 23,454 equals 0.22998. I think that's plenty of decimals. And now what we're asked to do with this is convert this into a circular pie chart, and I want to know the sum of the central angles. So in other words, we've got a picture here, and maybe this is not going to be accurate, but let's say this is higher education, and this over here is transportation. And I want to know what's the sum of these two angles here. In other words, what's the angle of the two things put together? So all you do is you take your knowledge of a circle, which is that if you go all the way around the circle, how many degrees is that? And well, anyone who has done skateboarding or snowboarding or basic life skills, right? This is 360 degrees in a circle. So you take 360 times 0.22998, and that's going to tell you how many degrees around we have. So times 360, and I'm looking at about 82.8 degrees roughly. That's our answer. So you can think of this right here as a percentage, right? That's 23% of a circle, and the total is 360 degrees, so your answer is 83 degrees right here.